guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Jenny and bienvenidos a mi canal. Today I have a pretty exciting video for you guys because we're going to be organizing my Photocard collection. I ordered 2 binders. One of them is going to be an A5 binder and the other one is going to be a 3-ring, like a smaller tiny binder. That one's going to be full of my alt biases, and then my other binder is going to just be full of photo cards that I have and kind of like miscellaneous photo cards that were given to me or that I just want to keep. I have my package right here. I unsealed it already just so it's easier for the video, but everything is in here. I'm super excited because I did order in 2 different colors. So I think my smaller binder is in pink and the other binder is going to be just regular like metal. Okay, so let's first unpackage this. So it's from AliExpress, and I'm going to list everything down below if you guys are interested in buying it. I was super excited because I was looking through Etsy and I saw similar binders to this, and I'm pretty sure Etsy would probably ship sooner, but it was a little bit more expensive. And I was happy that I found these on AliExpress, and they came in, like I said, in like 3 weeks. So I was still pretty happy. For everything that I got today that is going to be unboxed in here, I got for $22, and I think that was including shipping. So like everything that I spent was $22, which I thought was not that bad. I'm going to show you guys everything that I got, and I thought it was pretty good. So they sent some stickers. They're super cute. It says best wishes and thank you. Love this. I love stickers. I have like a huge stationery collection. Okay, so the first thing that I see is my tiny little binder, and these are the little sleeves that I got. I forgot how many I had ordered, but I can let you guys know down below specifically like what I had ordered. But in the binder it already comes with a few sleeves included as well. I just ordered some more. So let's first unpackage this. Oh, I'm so excited. So it comes with 5 sleeves. It's already included with the little binder. And the little 3-ring binder just looks like this. And oh my gosh, it's so cute. I don't know if you can tell, but it has like sparkles. So adorable. Oh my gosh. And okay, you can unclip it. It's just like the regular 3-ring binder. It's a baby pink color, and you can also put stuff in this front pocket. And I was watching other people's videos and I didn't know if this one had that because I didn't remember. Sorry, it's kind of like not dusty, but it just had like this feel to it, but now it feels better. And then it comes with this little hole. It comes with a little hole so you can put a little clip on it, and I did order a little clip. I got this little bunny clip for it. I thought it was so cute. It reminds me of Jungkook. I'm so excited. I ordered 10 sleeves separately, so in total I have 15 sleeves. On to the next binder. This one is a 6-ring binder and it looks like this. It already comes with the sleeves inside. Thought it was gonna be like a silver color, but I think I got it in baby blue actually. It kind of looks like a baby blue. So it looks like this. This one doesn't have a clear pocket in front. It's just simply like the binder, but it feels really nice. This is what I was talking about. I think it's a baby blue color. It looks baby blue. It's kind of like a baby bluish gray. And then I also got the sleeves. So this are the sleeves that I was talking about. It looks like this, and it's perfect for the 6-ring binder. And then it comes with 10, I believe. So I'm gonna change the angle so I can show you guys how I'm going to organize everything. So that's gonna be it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, all my socials are gonna be listed down below as well, so you guys can follow me on there. I really hope you guys enjoyed seeing my collection and how I organized everything. I was super excited because the binders are so cute and now I have everything nicely and neat. So yeah, don't forget to watch my other videos and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!